I'm going to have to call this Scan and Cut Christmas USB Part 2 because me being me, I pressed the wrong button and the feed dropped out. So apologies for everyone watching up until that point. I didn't just log off without saying goodbye. It's my pesky computer and signal here. So apologies about that. Hopefully that has made some sense to everyone who wanted to tune in to view the Christmas USB. We have just gone over how to print, how to cut, how to scan in, how to cut, how to weld, how to make your card blanks, and also what purpose you would use between detailed cut for your outside lines and also your speed cut for your just outside lines rather than just your detail lines as well. If anyone does have any questions as we are going through, again, apologies for me pressing the wrong button and ending the live in the wrong place. Do type them up, probably on the original video, and I will go through those and answer as best I can. In the meantime, a few little housekeeping things. Please, please, please share with us in group all of your designs you've created using the Christmas USB, because it's always lovely to see. It's always absolutely wonderful to see what you guys have created. It's a wonderful world of inspiration on the Crafters page, and it's a nice place to share those designs as well. We do have a competition running. I think the competition is live until the 4th, which I'm going to say is Sunday evening. So the competition is, as you may have seen in group, regarding the new die set, which is called the Enchanter's die set. For anyone wanting to upload their makes using the Enchanter's die set, if you use the hashtag mouse mischief, we can easily check through the designs you have created, and one lucky winner will be chosen at random to win back the cost of their die set as a credit on their account, which is quite fun. So if anyone has already uploaded their... Oh no, don't start flashing up that as well. It's Facebook telling me I'm reaching the end of my limit today. Time limit on social media. Thank you, Apple. That's a handy thing. What was I saying? So if anyone has already uploaded their Enchanter's cards and hasn't put the hashtag on, please do consider going back and editing your post to include that hashtag mouse mischief to be in with a chance of winning the cost of your die credited back to your account on the website Carnation Crafts. Oh yeah, another one, Misty Morning. That launched this morning, and it has been extremely busy. You might have noticed if you have tried to purchase it this afternoon, we are already out of stock online. Now, I can only apologise for that. The team are working hard behind the scenes to set up pre-orders, and we are getting an extra urgent delivery in of some more of the dies to fulfil those extra orders. So don't worry if you have missed out. We will pop up details as soon as we can as to how you can go about getting your collection, your Misty Morning collection. Also, what went out this morning is our sneaky peeks. It's our new, I say new, it's our second month that we've done it, our overview email out to all people who have registered to receive our newsletter, and that gives you a really great insight and overview as to what is coming over the month. So it's going to take you from right now all the way to the end of October, the shows we have planned, the launches we have planned, with a little bit of information as to what you can see, little sneaky peeks. There's offers included within the emails too. We get asked so many times, when is X collection launching, when can I get hold of this? To be the most informed, to be the first among everyone to hear of new launches, exclusive offers, to get the absolute verified truth of when things are available, please do consider signing up to the newsletter. I think it's probably among the top things we get asked of, you know, when can I get hold of this, when can I get hold of that? The best thing to do, you know, don't listen to hearsay or anything like that. Take your information from your verified sources of things like the newsletter and of course our social posts as well, because you guys are so special to us and we want to keep you readily informed as well. Apologies as always to my incompetence when it comes to technology and doing cameras and talking and demonstrating at the same time. It just goes to show how much of a great job the guys on air do to keep us all in check at all times. So I will upload both these videos for anyone that wants to reference back. If you do have any questions, I will be around after these videos. Just check in to make sure we've covered everything off, and by all means do get in touch, and I look forward to seeing your creations that you have made using the Christmas USB. And you can join Carla on Saturday with an exciting back to air. She is taking the From the Heart collection back to air on Create and Craft Saturday. I think her first show is 9:45, and I'm going to say 9:45 and 4:30 probably. So that was a collection launched, I believe, back in April. So there's a second chance to get that if you haven't got that one already, but it's also a great way of just seeing someone else's take on it, getting some more details of how the dies work, what you can do with them, a little bit more inspiration as well. And I will be back with you next week for something new, but check your emails, your October sneak peek emails, for a little clue as to what might be launching the following week. Thank you everyone for joining me. Again, huge apologies for me messing up the video. So sorry. But as always, thank you for your company, and I shall see you soon. Bye.